Yo, we're fucking. Let's go, baby. We're back. 9:15. Hold on, let me pull that shit back up. You already know. Another day, another dollar. 9:15. Wednesday, December 10th. I got the Celsius. I got the free Chick-fil-A sandwich. Let's fucking get it, baby. I got the fucking Spider-Man PJs. I'm really too nice. They can't fuck with me today. So let's fucking get straight into this shit. I haven't taken a peek at the charts. Let me drink this Celsius so I can get locked in, and then I'm gonna eat a little bit once market opens, probably. What do we have? 10:30 crude oil. We got some red folder at 2 p.m. and we already had red folder at 8:30. I need to bring me down a little bit. Bring me down a little bit. Okay, cool. All right. I don't need to open no new tabs, right? Perfect. Okay, cool. So first and foremost, we gonna start out on that. Put that right there. 4 hour or daily, actually. Boom, daily. All right, cool. Nasdaq on the left, S&P on the right, guys. You know the deal. Cool, perfect. All right, chill. So Nasdaq still has this 4 hour gap above. We're kind of going to be seeing if we're really rejecting and starting to continue this downtrend to go down from here, or if we're going to be looking to come like up. We're just going to kind of wait and kind of like see for a setup. Let's see, just because ES already took out these highs. Did not take out these highs, but technically, I was talking about this yesterday, technically we have a bearish SMT if we do not come up and take out these highs. So, could be leaning bearish today. We shall see. There's no like daily unfilled gaps. We do have this old daily gap here that we rejected off 1, 2, 3 times already. So, there's a chance we come back down and then react off that to go up. But on NASDAQ, that's all the way here. Cool. Okay, let's check the 4 hour. 4 hour time frame. Cool. 4 hour. Cool. So this is from yesterday, right? Yesterday just came up just a little bit. Let's see. Any 4 hour gaps on the 4 hour? We have this bearish fair value gap up here getting respected. Same thing on ES. Yeah, barely. This one also respected it. Looks like we made like SMTs at these highs. Oh yeah, super SMT. High up to here. High down to here. On the 4 hour, that's a easy one. Okay, so NASDAQ is still going up while ES is going down. We also have now an SMT at these lows as well that we're putting in right now because of wow, double SMT back to back. Super interesting. Yeah, I mean, we made an SMT like they're opposite on here, and then they do the same exact thing and do they flipping back and forth from these two. Whatever. 4 hour SMTs at all the 4 hour lows, and at the 4 hour highs too. From right here. Cool. 1 hour. Right now, it looks like we're respecting bearish. We have SMTs in both directions. Let's see, 1 hour. Let's clean these up a little bit. One hour. Okay, just clean them up just a tiny bit, just a tad bit. I want it, I want it to look a little nice. Put that here, here. Seems like this is where we have those equal lows at. Cool. Fuck, spilled on my shirt a little bit. I'm an idiot. Okay. Okay, so Nasdaq is building SMT. We put in the bearish SMT first. Then we take out these lows. So technically this should be invalid right up here. Even though I'm gonna keep it for now. Probably once we do my session liquidity, I'll probably take them out. On the 1 hour, do we have any 1 hour bullish gaps? Not ones that we're respecting, except for this one. Bearish, oh shit. Bearish 1 hour right here, we're respecting. Same thing on ES, this sliver right here. Maybe there's no gap on ES. Perhaps no gap on ES, but it doesn't really matter. 1 hour is there on Nasdaq, might not be there on ES. Every other gap's kind of getting inverse, so it looks like we're really just respecting bearish right now. Let's see if there's anything on the 30-minute right now, but yeah, 30-minute. We're kind of like chopping around in this range on really on both indexes, but mainly on Nasdaq. We're chopping around in this range. We don't necessarily have any unfilled gaps right now. We only have, I think I was looking at this yesterday, as far as like Nasdaq to the downside, we only have like these lows as that next draw on liquidity. So it's either to see that, or did this, I remember there was an unfilled 30-minute, I think, or something. Maybe that got filled. Probably from a little bit ago. Not sure, I don't see it right now. We do have this unfilled hourly all the way up here. On the 4 hour, no, this gap is filled. 15-minute. Yeah, not really anything above to be able to target, unfortunately, besides that hourly unfilled. But it is possible. But everything that we're respecting right now is bearish, so I wouldn't be leaning bullish unless we get some sort of, you know, nice something. I don't even know what I would need, honestly. 15-minute. I'm gonna mark out this session liquidity real quick, get a little bit of more of a bias, and then I'm gonna go take a shit because I gotta poop. Pre-market poop. Looks like we got London highs and London lows, but we already took out Asian highs and Asian lows. So potential S&D, little search and destroy action today. Yesterday had the same shit. They also had some search and destroy action yesterday. So we'll see. I mean, we're chopping, so you know, who knows, but there's news, kind of like news coming out later. There's not really a bunch of news right now. There was news at 8:30. So we have these kind of like data highs, I guess. So yeah, I mean, 15-minute got inverse, but we're already below the inverse, so it's kind of irrelevant right now. We are in a 15-minute gap. See, because on the 30-minute there's not really anything here, right? We're in a 30-minute gap right now, actually. So we're inside of a 30-minute gap right now. We're creating an SMT at the low with London low. We're gonna kind of wait and see what market does. Open does, of course. But if we can sweep out some liquidity, you know, depending, I don't know if we'll inverse this or not. Next 5 minutes, blah, 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 blah. Before market opens, on the 15-minute, we inverse this gap, so this gap no longer matters. We're inside of this bullish 15-minute gap. And on the 5-minute, I mean, 5 minutes too early to see, I guess. I am going to remove this SMT. We would have to put in a new high time frame SMT, or like keep this. Actually, I'm gonna keep it there just in case we come and like sweep these out, just so I have it. I'm gonna take a shit. I will be right back. Ugh. Let's go, baby. I'm back. Market open. It's 9:30, baby. Market just opened. The shit just flew out my ass. Let's take this fucking trade in these Spider-Man PJs and get right, baby. I'm like that. I'm really, really too nice. No. Alright, cool. 5 minutes. Alright, remember what we have. 4 hour. Boom. We're just gonna have to really see and just see how we start out. Because this is not the most terrible way like the market has ever set up, but I wouldn't say it's really obvious which way it's gonna go either. Because we don't necessarily have big draws to the downside. Because if we're going to go down, we really only have this down here, and then all the way down to this down here. Even though I'm waiting, sometime this week, like today's Wednesday, Thursday or Friday, we should come up here and get into this fucking gap, bro. I'm waiting for us to come touch a daily gap. That's just mad obvious for NASDAQ, bro. Bless you. I like this already. Looks like we're gonna make an SMT off these lows. Alright, I'm gonna turn on paper chain because I want to figure out. Because if I were to place an order, like let me go on the 5 minute. I place a short like somewhere around here. The stop loss, that take probably like that. Tells me immediately it's around 5. Okay, so we swept out London lows. Oh shit, I kind of like this. I'm fucking around. SMT at the lows here. We already had a higher time frame bearish SMT, but now we're making another one. And right now we are rejecting. We're not gonna jump to anything crazy. There is an unfilled 15-minute right here on NASDAQ. ES did tap back into it. Let's see if ES comes and takes down this London low or nah. Damn, fuck, we're going down. Oh shit, there's even higher time frame SMT. Because this is these lows, and we already been took out these lows. Okay. So we do have an SMT here, but let me mark out these in as well. Yes, took out London lows. News at 10:30. Yeah, so news is pretty late. Let's just wait, I guess, and just see what's going on here. We came up, tapped this hourly gap with the news, push down. Now we're taking out shit to the downside. We don't really need this. I'm just gonna put it on NASDAQ because it's all the way from this damn low all the way up to up here. Alright, so they both swept London lows. We're rejecting now. Yeah, all we did was correct this SMT here. Wait, actually no, we didn't, because we didn't actually take out this low right here, and ES is still below it and NASDAQ's still above it. Okay, we're going all the way up. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, look, Doji straight inverse. Holy shit. Jesus Christ, it's just gonna go straight there. This is not an entry, bro. That's not my strategy, bro. Fuck that. This is too clean. This is where you get manipulated out in like 10 minutes once that what's it called? Once that fucking 10 a.m. candle opens, gonna come fuck you in your ass, bro. If you already entered this shit, you're cooked, brother. You're cooked, buddy. You seen this shit? You seen this shit and you're like, holy fuck, yeah, I need to get in this right now. You saw this gap and your dick got hard. You fucking entered fucking right here. I bet you entered right here. Like, oh my god, we're going to the moon. Oh my god, we're going to the moon. Maybe we are. Maybe you were right, bro. Maybe I'm just a hater because I couldn't get in it. Maybe I'm just hating on you. Maybe I'm just hating on your swag, but I'm pretty sure this shit's gonna come take you out in about 10 minutes, bro. Not gonna lie, T minus. These are data highs up here. Yeah, ideally I'm gonna be wanting to take a trade on NASDAQ because I'm really not bearish. Like, as much as being bearish would be cool, with this huge ass fucking wick we just printed, and with these like high resistant, like these are not like low resist. This isn't like we're reacting off internal liquidity. We're just gonna come flood this shit. Like, these are kind of hard liquidity zones to hit because they're far, bro. And we're in December, so like December price action is gonna chop everywhere. Are we gonna like just chop straight down after we just opened up, took out London lows, and then made a super doji? I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. We got 5 minutes left for this 15-minute. You can see what that's hitting on. As far as the 5-minute is concerned, just a big doji. Just swept out London lows, big doji on both charts. We do have some decent low resistance liquidity towards the top, especially this 5-minute gap right here is like I would be starting to look for a long all the way up to these London highs, but I'm not sure. I would probably, ideally, if I took a long like from the bottom over here, there's a unfilled 15-minute right here. I'll take partials at, and then I'll let the rest run probably, if that. But I kind of want to just get that low-hanging fruit since I want to eval. I just want to take my profits where I get them, and risk more so that I can get this shit passed. But let's see. What does this 1 minute look like? Like, what is this price action? 1 minute inverse as well as a regular 1 minute gap. Tap back into it. That's what we're seeing right now. You already know me. We've been over this. I need to see at least some of these stops get ran before I get into anything. So I need some liquidity sweepage. No cap. I need some liquidity sweepage. And, you know, I don't need an SMT, but some SMT-age would be nice at the lows, like a low time frame SMT. And then like an inverse to the top, you know what I'm saying? That would be fire. To like an unfilled 15-minute, but something like this is not something I'm willing to get in off the rip ski. Even with this, like pretend, like what is this? Change in the state. Tap the 1 minute, 1 minute change in the state. It's just like I don't know, man. Oh, ES is going. Nah, ES is going, dude. Oh no, I'm wrong. I was talking shit about this entry, but it's about to play out on the guys. Bro. Sorry, I be itching the fuck out my head. Please, don't leave without me. Don't leave without me, please, 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 please. Jesus. Yes, 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 go back down. Fucking the least emotional trader, right? Oh, yes. This is what I need. This is what I need right here. What I don't need, though, because right now NASDAQ is making the higher low on the higher time frame. Right now it looks like ES is about to set up to make a higher low on the lower time frame while NASDAQ takes this out right here. If that happens, or if we get that kind of SMT, like, this puts me in the same similar predicament yesterday where I chose NASDAQ over ES to trade on, because NASDAQ has way more like I like the chart on NASDAQ way better because we have these data highs, which we also have on ES, to be fair. We have the London highs, but we have this 4-hour gap that's pulling us bullish on NASDAQ, and ES doesn't have that. But yesterday, ES just like took off and was like, yeah, I'm just going to go up. And NASDAQ was like, yeah, fuck you. I'm just going to stay right here and chop around. Like this bullshit. No, it was, where was the bullshit? Oh, this is all Wednesday. Fucking this bullshit. Holy fuck. Like, ES after this was just went straight up. Anyways. enough fucking complaining about how ass I am at trading. We're just going up still. All right, perfect. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. We just closed the 15-minute. So let's see what that shit's looking like. Looks like we're about to inverse this 15-minute. Yeah, I mean, it's like, because I just seen this 3-minute gap, I was thinking like it might have been an entry, but it's not the entry that was the problem. Like, there's entries all over this leg, but I just don't like how it was set up. I mean, yeah, there's a high time frame bearish SMT down here, so I think, yes, this stop is protected, especially with this doji-like candle going into realizing that like we closed up here, which made this like 5-minute exactly like that as well. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, we closed the candle right here. Then we also tapped in and then created some market structure shit, whatever, up here. And work on, like, I could be in this, is what I'm saying. But I just don't like the setup. I think we're still, like, I really feel uncomfortable getting in a trade before the stops have been, like, swept out. Which might have just been what this was, this big, like, range right here. Is taking out all these lows, taking out London lows, yes, but I like to see a lower time frame one. Like, us just coming straight down and straight up is not my vibe. It's really not my vibe. Now, if we like do a little like, we come up in the middle here right before this gap and we hit like a little I'm willing. I like this. I like this little chop right here. I fuck with some chop. Back to the head scratching, bro. Can't get enough of it. All right, what are we doing? Just going up, I guess. Yeah, ES is all the way up here, bro. Yeah, ES is gonna probably inverse this 15-minute. 30-minute gap it held. So we came down to a 30-minute gap. I mean, we did not hold it on NASDAQ though. 50-minute? Nope. All right, 5-minute, 5-minute, 5-minute. Let's see what's going on here. Off this 5-minute gap. Is there any higher time frame gaps? Oh, we tapped into this 15-minute. Cool, 15-minute gap. Yes, doesn't have that one, but they made this one, which this is the same one actually. We're just so far above it, it looks mad weird. Oh my goodness, what is the chart doing, bro? Looks like ES is inversing this 15-minute. Oh my goodness, while NASDAQ is respecting it. Maybe ES won't do that. All right, cool. Well, I mean, I guess I was asking for some sort of retracement. 949, bro. But 949 though, like, and you tap that unfilled 15-minute. Bro, that's kind of ass. That's kind of ass. Alright, let's see what's going on here. We are currently making an SMT right now because NASDAQ is sweeping out lower lows than ES. We are reacting off of this higher time frame SMT and these London lows. NASDAQ doesn't have a higher time frame gap, but ES is in a 30-minute gap down here. Yeah, we have a lot of wicks on the downside from NASDAQ and plus this super high time frame one, so I'm liking that. SMT here. Oh, this is a hard question, bro. There's a 30-second gap here. The 1 minute's already closed. Nah, I don't know. So 100-point stop loss is like 10 contracts for $500. All right, cool. This chop here, we're just gonna chill. We're just gonna chill. Chill. Nasdaq's pushing lower a little bit. ES is staying up here. Yeah, Nasdaq just looks super bearish, but ES looks mad bullish. I'm not gonna lie, we know that. But ES did tap into this big, the 15 or the 5 minute that's up there. So it's like we sweep out these lows, we tap into this 5 minute up here. Let me see, was there I mean, I don't really like any of these like bearish targets anyway. Cool. This kind of comes inside with my bias too on wanting to sweep out some lows first with an SMT. No gaps though as of right this second. Alright. Nasdaq's back down at these London lows. Yes, barely took this out. But technically, ES doesn't take out this low. So, I mean, technically, we don't really have an SMT here. Technically. Unless we take out this low down here. Which would be pretty sick. Not gonna cap. If we take out this low down here, it'd be pretty litty. Then we'd have more room for a gap. I see you little fucking stinky little 1 minute gap right here. It looks like there might be a 2 minute forming if we don't react up too fast. Possible 3 minute also. Possible 5 minute also because we just opened up the 5 minute. I really like this though, relative equal highs with a 15-minute gap, but there was no good entry here. Perfect. Nasdaq takes out this low. ES does not. Yet, at least. This is this stretch. Cause it's about to be time to slap this shit. We're about to just slap this shit, see what happens, bro. SMTZ. Swept at all the lows, came right back down to this 1 minute gap. We're back in this fucking fat ass area down here. Might be a time frame. Is there a high time frame gap here? Daily. No, we didn't touch into anything crazy. 4 hour. No. Okay, back to the lower time frame. I'm gonna enter on this 1 minute. Oh. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Now if this goes up, I'm gonna get a terrible fill. Wow, that sucks ass.
Order filled.
Got in there. Looks like I got filled. I still like this a lot, even though we did come up a lot. This still looks really good, even though ES is going to start taking out these highs. I still like this. I got filled. I could have been a little bit more patient, I think. 623.5. Here, let me turn this off. I gotta turn it off for the thing. 623.5. Boom, right here. Stop low right here. Let's put TP at these data highs for now. I'm gonna look to go break even after we take out an internal high. Oh, maybe I should have waited for a fucking resweep. Maybe not. I think that's fine. Just gonna be patient. I mean, I'm already in the trade. No need to super stress about anything. Oh wait, I didn't put my stop loss in over here. Put my stop loss in. I could look to go break even at this internal high right here. But I think it's gonna be better. The only thing that makes me want to go break even here is these highs on NASDAQ right here, or on ES, that are just like, oof. 15-minute gap. We already inversed, we came back in, and now we're reacting out on ES. As long as we push up from here. Oh, now we're making dojis. Yeah, I'm looking to go break even somewhere around here. I'm gonna get rid of this 1 minute because it's just extra noise. That's the 15-minute that we filled up there. Wasn't paying attention to the time. I entered at 10 a.m. Yeah, I'm gonna stay in this. I thought about closing out just because of the 10 a.m. manipulation. We might come down and take out where I'm at, but I think I'm just gonna. I like this trade. I'm gonna trust in it. Like on all of these time frames, these wicks are like wick. So if we come down to manipulate again, that's like wow, a lot. It's a lot of heavy manipulation going on, but it happened. I mean, it's December, bro. Trying to see if we're like, are we creating SMTs or anything? Not right now. I'm gonna go break even at this high right here. Actually, I'm gonna go break even now. Since we have an SMT at the high with ES, I'm just gonna go break even now. At these highs. These the data highs? No. Data highs are the marked up here. Okay. TP is my data highs. ES is taking out all of these highs right now. Yes, that's these up here. Cool. See how close we are to those as well. Yeah, I mean, all my risk is already off the table since I'm already at break even. Like my stops are already break even, like up here. So if we want to reverse off this, we definitely can. I don't think we will. Just because, like, look at these wicks. We didn't take out any liquidity. There's nothing that's forcing us down right here. There are long wicks here, but I think this is after 10 a.m. manipulation. This is the 10 a.m., 11 a.m. candle that we're just going to push through everything. We're going to start getting some reactions, hopefully. Let's see. We are creating an SMT off this high, so let's see where the market wants to go. Oh, down. Up. Down. 1. Up. Down. 2. Up. Down. 3. Up. Down. 4. Up. Down. 5. Up. Yo, my pacer is lit. That's like public school traumatization right there. PTSD. Fucking the pacer test. Yo, why are we going down? Please. Just go up. Don't do me like this. Oh, are you going to stop me at a break even, you bitch? Yeah.
Stop field.
Alright. Well, stopped at break even. Let's see if there's a re-entry here. Any more SMTs? We're gonna take out this little set of lows right here. I hope we do. You stop me out of break even. Just take that out. Just take that out so you can make an SMT. News about to come out in 20 minutes. Bro, manipulate a little lower for your boy so I can get an entry again. Please. Please, please, turn a beat up. I used to be broke as a joke. Nigga nowadays. Yeah, I mean, I'm just being cautious with my break evens because this December, bro, this choppy price action, like, I'm not about to hold all the way up to fucking 2.64 R. You think I'm fucking insane, bro? And if this setup's like, if we're meant to retrace here after taking this out, then hopefully I get some sort of entry in here. Is there any like gaps or anything like that? Look, gaps. Damn, that looks crazy. There's hella wicks, bro. Hella wicks. Maybe that could have just been some discretion to just not go break even. But we didn't take this out, dude. Frick. What the fwick, man? What the fwick? What the fwick? We didn't take this one out, so we still held bullish. We held bullish. Or is there any like, yo, is there a short here? No fucking chance. No fucking chance. Yeah, no fucking chance at all. Fuck no. Definitely not shorting down to all these manipulated lows. Dude. Maybe I should have just held it like a boss. Should just like move my stop up to here maybe. Oh. Maybe not. Nah, I mean, I always say like the what if, but I'm chilling with the stop at break even. You know me. You know me. Give me an entry though. Like just come down one more time for the boys. Like just take out these lows right here. I know you want to take out these relative equal lows. Come on now. Come on. I know you want to. Come on. Yo, what is this NASDAQ chart, bro? Like ES has a lot of wicks, but like god damn, NASDAQ ain't going nowhere, bro. Why does it keep doing this? Yo, what is wrong with December price action, bro? NASDAQ just be standing still and going sideways while ES like slowly chops up, bro. Oh, take these out, bro. You know you want to take these out. You know you want to take these out. You know you want to take it out. Come on. I know you want to take it out. Just take it out and give me a little gap. Boom, SMT. All right. So we got that. We just need ES to stay above these lows right here. Bow. We are the champions. We are the champions. No one can stop us. We are the champions. Yeah, sure, yeah. All I need is for you to stay down here for 30 more seconds, bro. Just 30 more seconds, bro. No. Ooh, please. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. I need you to form a gap, bro, so I can get in this bitch. No! No. Yo, I'm dead. Alright, I'm not getting in on this first one then. Unless we hit a little double manipulation. Do it to him. Do it to him. Yeah, trick. Yeah. Alright. We do currently have an SMT at the walls. Yeah, at this point, it's really just entries. Like, it's just entry. But I don't want to take no foo-foo ass entry and have my stop like that really be protected. Oh, sorry. I don't want to have like a terrible boo-boo stop. And then my shit just get ran in 2 seconds because I was really wanting us to go up. I mean, I think we'll go up. Like, this looks fucking good, bro. I'm not gonna lie, especially for these data. Like, we're rejecting. Like, it's only a matter of time, unless I'm just an idiot and we're supposed to go lower. But you know, you win some, you lose some. You're either gonna be right or wrong. That's it. Tomorrow's still gonna come the same time it will, whether I win or lose. So it don't matter, bro. It don't matter because we the best player in the game. Imagine I'm just thirsty and I'm like, yo, 1 minute SMT, I'm entering. I need that. Oh, bearish SMT. That's weird. That's suspicious. Yeah, that's suspicious. That's weird. Yeah, this is getting more and more like, yo, it might just be time to get off. Because this shit is not looking right. Look at this shit. Look, SMT right here. Not SMT, right? So SMT from here to here, then from here to here, then from here to here. Like, yo, are we tweaking out right now? Why is there so many SMTs at the highs? You know what we got to do, since we're putting all the SMTs at the highs, let's just like flood the downside real quick. Just take out a hell of liquidity down here so that we just negate all the SMTs up here and then just rotate all the way up. Or look for some rotation. Yeah, it looks like no good entry. It is what it is. Oh. Another one. SMT die. We're keeping it in place. We took out all the other ones, but we're leaving this last little bitty one right here. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Bearish SMT. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. I bet. Alright, let's just take out some of these lows. I feel like, bro, we're gonna come up. Yo, we're taking that out, bro. Give me an entry. ES is in this 15-minute gap. Still inverse 15-minute right there. 30 minute, nothing. 30 minute, we respected the 30-minute gap down here. Delivering from a 30-minute gap. We inversed a 15-minute, and then we tapped into it multiple times. Okay. This is mad lame, bro. We're just chopping. We're not giving no entries. We're not delivering nowhere. This is shitty. Oh. We're checking out these relative equal highs or what? I will show you how I feel, baby. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I'm pretty calm on the charts this week. Like this week and last week, I feel like I'm able to see clearly now. The rain has gone. You know. Like, even yesterday when I admitted, that last trade was a little bit of a FOMO trade. But, I mean, it wasn't I've taken I've taken trades with less, to be honest. Okay, so we completed the SMT, except we're putting in a new one if ES doesn't take this shit out. Yo, what are we doing? What are we even doing right now, son? Or was I lacking? Well, I could have been like this. 50% of the 50% of it, you know. Yo, what is going on, dude? This is like SMT hell, bro. So we took out this high. Okay, so what's the highest high? The highest high is right here for ES. Oh, wait, is this high? Oh, no. So we still have the SMT. SMT is from this high right here. Oh, that's fucking lovely. Holy shit. Alright. Okay, so this high is where the SMT lies. I will show you what I feel, baby. I'm gonna get rid of this London shit. This is really just a shake in my head, bro. These break-evens are killing me, dog. Killing me. She can't decide. Is it me, or is it you, or this orange wine? I'm not gonna lie. If we open up a gap right here and inverse that hoe, I'm entering, bro. No bat. No bibbity. No bibbity. I don't give a fuck about these SMTs at the highs. Ain't nothing pushing us down from here, bro. Deadass. There's no fucking way. No chance. Unless I'm just an idiot and it's gonna fucking, like, the market's about to just, like, penetrate me right now. But we'll see. We're about to find out, yo. Let's see. What does this look like? Boom. We still have S&T at the low right here. What the fuck did it go back, bro? Yo. Yo. What is that? Boom. S&T at the low right here. No. There you go. That's probably what happened. Boom. S&T at these lows. ES just took out. Equal lows? Oh, no. Okay, so ES just took out. Nasdaq just took out these lows. See what happens here. ES took out these lows down here, right here. Wow. ES is retapping into that 15-minute gap. Oh yeah, this is looking juicy. This is looking juicy. We have another SMT. From these lows to these lows. What's lower here? Low 846.0. 846. Oh, so these are just fucking equal lows. Perfect. Love that. All right, so we're gonna take these out. I hope. No. That's okay too. That's all right too. That's all right too. I'm just gonna take this old one away. Even though it's still there, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so we come down. ES actually makes equal lows with this shit. Makes an SMT off this low, tapping into this 15-minute gap. One more gain. In 15 minutes, about to close. We're about to get this news at 10:30. Oh wow. Oh wow, we're just like not taking it out at all. Everybody's just gonna make a quadrillion equal lows on ES. Oh lovely. Yes, that's a really beautiful art project you got there. Okay, perfect. Thank you. Thank you for taking that out. What else are we taking out down here? This low, which we already took out on NASDAQ. Is it rejection time, baby? Rejection time. Brown, 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 brown. Alright. 1 minute S&T. We made a low. Came up a little bit. Swept that low back out. I'm fucking with this. Made this 1 minute gap right here. Bow, bow. Okay, so we didn't inverse it. Almost just fucking entered on that shit by accident. That was kind of scary. Okay, so we're just gonna put from here to where are we gonna finish this shit at? That's not what you want to see. I really don't like the doji. Oh, okay. Nah. Nah. Even if we inverse from right here. Nah. No. Oh shit. Maybe yes. We have another SMT at the lows here, right? Let me see. Check real quick. 845.50, and this is low 845.50. So we're making equal lows. Yo, ES, what is wrong with you, bro? Stop making equal lows, bro. I'm trying to get in bullish. I'm trying to get a long here. Long not the wave, bro? Long ain't the wave right now, cousin? Are you trying to tell me long's not the wave right now? I don't got it in me to take it long, bro. I can't enter that though. I want to. But the one candle long wick, 2 candle long wick, closed bearish. I mean SMT at the low, but ES is just going down with the candle. A lot's going on here, and I'm chilling off that. Because ES looks a little stronger here, because it's actually like ES is the one that's fucking. ES is like dragging Nasdaq by its like weave today. I don't know. Nasdaq ain't going nowhere, bro. And ES is just like, hey, yeah, I'm just gonna take out this high, I'm gonna take out this low, I'm gonna make it equal low over here, bro. I'm doing what I want. All right, let's just zoom out for a second. I think I'm too zoomed in. Or we're still making an SMT at these highs, actually. We can't make an inverse off this gap anymore. But, I mean, same buy still stands, honestly. 15-minute. We're making a manipulation a little lower. Here, I gotta go piss real quick. I'm just gonna keep an eye on it. Okay, nice. Ooh. Looks like we're just going down. Can't tell shit what's going on in the 5-minute. Let's put this here. Because this SMT's done. But we are making an SMT with this low now. Oh, fuck yeah. Jesus Christ, bro. SMT's everywhere, man. SMTs are everywhere today, man. Shit. Let's just put a line here just in case we do like resweep or anything. trying to sniff out the fucking money right now. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys. It's about to be end of the day, guys. Don't worry. Video's almost over, guys. Don't worry. Oh, is Nasdaq taking this out too? Perchance. Oh, indubitably. Oh, indubitably. Alright, might be just time to call it quits. Unless you want to react right now, Nasdaq. You know, I'm not telling you what to do. Nah, we're going down, bro. Holy flick. And then I'm like, because even if Nasdaq takes out this low, ES doesn't, we create another SMT and we racked up. It's just kind of like, ooh, this is a little bit yucky. I mean, 15-minute close in 7 minutes, 5-minute close in 2 minutes. Like there'll probably be a 5-minute unfilled right here. Like that's pretty cool. But besides that, I think we're out of luck. I think we are out of luck besides that. I think that's about to be time to call it quits, go home. Yeah, terrible R. Shit close in 30 seconds. Okay, resweep of these lows. SMT. This is a good setup. There's not a good, like, there's not that good of like a target. This is where the unfilled 5-minute is on ES. And she gushing like a lake. I just go ahead and dive in it and say, Yo, PA's been hard this week. But I mean, I'm protecting my capital, got in my trade, took my trade, put the shit in there. I mean, break even. So, not bad at all. Question is if we get in like up here. Because what's EQ of this big ass wick right here? One, two, three, four. Yeah, so I'm not really gonna. Oh. Fuck it. I'm gonna punch this shit in for like a little scalpy type entry.
Order filled.
Cool. Stops put in. Right here. ES is already in that 5-minute gap. That's what's worrying me. Just because I marked it out here too, and ES is just already in that hoe. NASDAQ is not yet. So if ES reacts off of it and NASDAQ follows suit, I'm fucked. Yo, did I just call that shit? Fuck. Holy shit, I should have fucking moved my stop as soon as I seen that. Damn, I wasn't locked in there. That's my fault. Not that there's not a chance that we go up here. There's definitely a chance. But this is now like damn near full risk a little bit. Actually, this is over risk a little bit because I put some money down here. Shit. Yeah, I'm fucked. Damn. Yeah, because ES is now even tapping into this gap for a second time, and NASDAQ's not going up there, so I'm fucked. Well, they got me. They got me, guys. Go up, go up, go up. Please, please. All right, what other price targets does ES have? Lock in. 5 minute, we're inside right now. 15 minute, there's nothing. 30 minute, we're rejecting. Yo, am I greedy fuck for not closing out right now? I might be. Push up some more NASDAQ. Take out that high and I'm going break even. Go, 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 go. I gotta blow it. That's what made it go. Go. Alright, break even. Yep, this is the plan right here. Okay, cool. So it did work out. I mean, it's working out way better on ES, but I want to wait till we hit this 5 minute gap on NASDAQ, then go break even, and then I'm going to start trailing my stop. What time is it? 10:49. All right, so we're even approaching 11. We're actively delivering, so we're just going to start to trail the stop. ES. Okay, now we're both in this 5 minute gap. ES is about to inverse this 5 minute. NASDAQ is also about to inverse it, but it looks like, okay, cool. Yep, all right, perfect. So we're inversing the gap on both indexes. What is this, 50 minute? Yeah, 15 minute inverse, but we disrespected this already. Cool. I'm just gonna chill. I'm gonna let this run if it wants to run. I'm gonna let it come back if it wants to come back. I'm not gonna be too controlling, nothing like that. Because if ES already inversed this gap, that means ES is looking for at least these highs. I just need to blow NASDAQ. That's the thing. NASDAQ, chill. Why are you going down when ES isn't? Oh, it is, but... Bro, go back up. Go back up to your room now! bro. It's taking them all back from me. It's okay. Oh, I should have just taken those profits when I had them.
Stop filled.
Alright, well, break even. And ES doesn't come anywhere near these. Bro, this shit's about to piss me off. Why is NASDAQ moving like shit? I should just closed up here. I was like 600 in profit, bro. Oh well, that shit don't mean nothing to me. But fuck, bro. Catching a decent trade in December is hard as fuck. Like, what the fuck is this, bro? Like, what is this? Put that back. What is this, dude? Stopped out at break even twice, bro. Holy shit. I'm protecting my capital, but fuck, bro. Man. Just need to start just trying to fucking top tick this shit. Like, as soon as I seen this, I should have just closed out this doji red candle. But this doji looked promising. Not going cap to you. Alright, well that's it for me, honestly. Just gonna remove all these drawings. Let's open the TradeZella. Refresh it a few times so we can see what's going on. Damn, I could have ended today strong. Like 600 per account. But I was greedy, I'm not gonna lie. The greed got to me. I was up here and I was like, but ES looks like it's about to take out all these, so let me hold it. You know, normal greedy shit. But stop was at break even, so I didn't lose anything. Why is it not updating? Resync. Oh, there we go. It's loading in. 4 out of 4, perfect. So $4.50. Let's go. 2 break evens. Let's go, baby. And now I'm just gonna fucking gamble this shit. This shit's going to the moon. I'm just about to place fucking 1 million contracts on that hoe. I need to start taking profits sooner though. I need to look for easier shit. Like, I need to risk more and just use low hanging fruit to just pass this eval. Cause bro, going break even every day on this eval is killing me, man. It's killing me, Smalls, bro. Like, look, fucking I'm 50,100, bro. I have $100 and I've been trading on this eval for like a week and a half. Yo. Like, what is going on? I mean, I'm not blowing this shit up, obviously. Like, I'm trying to keep it somewhat careful because I have 3 accounts. But, dude, like, come on, man. Come on, man. 159, bro. Ugh. All good, though. I'm just a big complainer. Oh, we're getting another SMT at the lows here. Nah, this is really just like, I said this, like I even said this yesterday, that I need to like not be afraid to trade on ES. Oh fuck, I already, can I bring them back? Can I bring back my executions? Oh, perfect. Perfect, they're here. Alright, let's see, like around this time, was there an entry? No, but it's like, even if there was an entry on ES, like, nah, hold on, like I'm only saying that because this one moved a little bit faster to the upside, but they both didn't really take out anything crazy. I mean, you know, they both did the same shit, came up here and then came all the way back down. Made an SMT. Bro, this looks so good, bro. This looks mad good, bro. SMT at the low. We came up, made that intermediate high. But this is like right before 11, bro. Oh my goodness. Like, look at this, bro. All we did was just add another, like, little liquidity, like, relative equal highs now with this little high there as well. Then we have these fucking data highs right here. Good googly moogly. It looks too juicy. And we're creating like a million SMTs off all the lows. Like one SMT down to this low, SMT down to this low, SMT. Like, what? Oh my god. This setup is too perfect. Imagine then you enter and just makes another SMT and just fucks you. Bro, I'm not entering this. I'm not. I really want to. I really do want to, but I'm not gonna lie, I've been super disciplined, so I'm not about to break it all here. Over some dumb shit. Even though this setup is clean as fuck. Let's just put it, and we'll wait. This is the type of trade where you put the position on like you did enter when you didn't, and then you just say like, hey, like, I'm happy or sad that I went in on it. It's not really like a necessarily great break-even point, I would say, up here. Oh, if we even go up there, maybe we just instantly stop me out if I was to enter that. Maybe I'm just the GOAT like that, and strategy's protecting me from being a fucking idiot. Yeah, timing in the market is everything. I'm just kind of curious. Alright, I'm just going to leave that there. I'm going to go put in these 1001. Put this in here, boom. Once we took out, there's an SMT. SMT down to this high. SMT break even. Cool. Could have even TP. Well, nah, because I wanted to see higher prices. I wanted to see higher prices. So I wanted to see really like this high did taken. For real, for real. I wanted to see that John get hit right there. To be completely honest. If we being honest here. SMT at this high is going to be my break even, or right here was going to be my break even. But SMT put me at that break even. So this would stop me out. Cool. Good trade, comma, good break even at SMT of the highs. Cool. I would take this again. So I'm not really much to talk about on that one. Boom. No data here. No data. What to say? Get me an oh yeah. So there's it's fucked up. Should have TP'd. Should have TP'd due to overall time plus discretion, comma. Just because like I just felt like it. Plus 600, comma. Late trade, comma. Good setup with protected stop. Cool. Well, when it comes to trading, there's only one thing you can control, and that's how much money you lose. Well, you can control your entry, of course, but I mean, when it comes to making or losing money, you can only control how much money you lose. So, oh yeah, this shit got insta fucking stop loss. Shout out to me for not impulsing into a trade at 11 o'clock. Shout out to me. We're just gonna blank the charts again. I like this. I do like it. Makes it a lot easier to identify SMTs when you got the charts side by side like this. This is just a P&L for the week still. I'll just refresh that just for you guys. I mean, nice and easy. Oh, this is showing the correct P&L now. We're up 102. Let me actually make sure. Trade of 8. Nope, 102.75. Perfect. So this is actually showing the right P&L now. Cool. All right. Well, thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike it if you didn't like it. Have a great day.